my name is Robert Morrison, and I am the founder of Axis Drones, and today I have with me the Wallet Drone. The Wallet Drone is the world's smallest quadcopter. It fits inside of the controller itself, which is the size of a wallet, fits perfectly into your pocket. Not only does the quadcopter fit inside of the remote control, but it actually uses the remote control's batteries to charge itself while not in use, making it go virtually anywhere that you can. This is the most portable, compact quadcopter on the market.
So we've had probably about 5 or 6 different remote control planes, but the Wallet Drone seems to last forever. Maybe it's the size, the small size of it, but it flew longer than just about any other copter we've ever used.
Your passions, your hobbies, your experiences define who you are. And you shouldn't have to sacrifice fully living, ever. Onagafly, the world's first smart nano drone, helps you capture, share, and experience the most meaningful and exciting moments of your life. Toss Onagafly into the air and instantly be ready to film, throw, and fly. It's that easy. Onagafly's auto-follow feature locks onto you and follows you around. You're free to live the experience. With P2P live streaming function, share your Onagafly video live to other mobile devices. Onagafly is highly portable and takes off from the hand with no hassle. You can hover your drone at a particular distance or manually control its flight path. Users of all ages and experience levels can navigate Onagafly effortlessly, both indoors and outdoors. Use smile detection to automatically take the images you want when you want, and share the moment right away to your favorite social media. Play with Onagafly just like playing video games with the tilt control mode. It's designed to capture you from the best angle. With a cutting-edge obstacle avoidance technology, Onagafly will automatically detect anything in its path and seamlessly shift direction to escape contact. Its brushless DC electric motor gives Onagafly the longevity of 5,000 hours at only 140 grams. The specs pack a punch. GPS module enables auto-follow technology. Wi-Fi module allows for connection with smart devices. Infrared obstacle avoidance senses 360 degrees. Lastly, 15 megapixels camera captures awesome photos. With Onagafly, you can share your whole world from the palm of your hand.
Our team met through the Drone User Group Network, the largest community organization in the country dedicated to teaching people how to build and fly their own flying robots.
Through our community, each of us had seen literally hundreds of different drone designs from all around the country, but we weren't satisfied with anything we saw in the market. We saw a lot of kits out there that were powerful and flexible, but took a long time to put together and tune. And there were off-the-shelf products that worked out of the box, but were limited in their functionality. And there wasn't anything out there that was both powerful and convenient to carry. So we decided to create something that combined the best of everything we had seen, but was more elegant and accessible. And that's how we came up with the Pocket Drone, the world's first heavy-lift microcopter. It's as powerful as an open-source kit, works out of the box with everything you need like an off-the-shelf product, and is easy to take with you wherever you go, without having to bring along an extra case or bag just for your drone. We've gone through numerous iterations to create the perfect drone product that can be used by everyone.
The Pocket Drone is designed to be your personal flying robot.
Smallest quadcopter and made it even easier and fun for beginners to fly. Our new patent-pending design provides a more forgiving flight process while protecting the blades and motors at the same time. There will be 3 introductory colors to choose from on Indiegogo. All Nano drones will now come with our new packaging that also doubles as a protective storage case. The all-new 3-speed calibration system provides smoother lift and maneuverability, reducing the pogo stick effect that new flyers experienced with the previous design. We have also improved the 6-axis stabilization, which allows the Nano drone to hover remarkably well. It can now hover less than an inch off of the surface below in addition to higher altitudes. Our patent-pending blade guard design allows the new Nano drone to lightly bump ceilings and walls without causing the blades to fly off, which previously resulted in short flight times, devastating crashes, and the need for repairs. While not indestructible, the new design is certainly more forgiving. Software upgrades provide smoother 360-degree rotation, also referred to as yaw, allowing you to easily adjust the orientation of your drone mid-flight. We have designed what we believe to be the perfect learner drone that will save you thousands of dollars while you perfect the mechanics of quadcopter flight, before moving on to larger, more
day in your local park and getting a whole new perspective. From the palm of your hand, picture soaring to incredible heights above the waves and float out of a hot air balloon, sharing breathtaking memories.
This is Microdrone. When we began on Microdrone, our aim was to create a small-size, personal drone that was affordable, durable, easy to fly, that works straight out of the box. A drone for everyone.
Whether you fly Microdrone in extreme conditions, like on a windy beach, or in delicate ones, like inside your home, with its precision control, flexibility, and durability, you can fly it anywhere, no matter your age or flying experience. There's no other drone like it.
We're doing really innovative stuff. We don't cut corners. We're in it for the long run. We launched the first edition Microdrone in 2011, and the feedback was incredible. We redesigned the second edition around a modular architecture to support a unique range of plug-and-play modules. It received rave reviews in the technical journals, online blogs, and even TV shows.
These little drones that are like
I think they're awesome, man. Have you seen the Microdrone 2.0?
Yeah.
That's probably my favorite one.
It's incredibly nimble, perfect if you're filming extreme sports. It is very rugged, and if anything did break, its modular design means it's easy to replace any parts.
Now, after 2 years, we're ready to make Microdrone 3.0.
Microdrone 3.0 is designed with drone enthusiasts and excellent engineers from around the world. Components are easily expandable, upgradable, and replaceable. It's also the smallest drone to currently carry a mechanical gimbal. The HD camera streams live footage to your smartphone. The batteries slide in and out for quick hot swapping. And the plug-and-play smart modules simply snap on with magnets. Since everything either snaps or slides in, the structure is sleek, aerodynamic, and beautiful.
So now it's possible using 3D printer technology like the Ultimaker 2, you can print out your own custom frame similar to the Dragon or the Wasp.
I was super excited when the Microdrone team reached out and wanted to make a first-person view drone technology using the DodoCase VR viewers. Very few people could use first-person view drone technology even a year ago. I mean, the fact that the Microdrone team is making this technology available is really a revolutionary idea.
We want to make the quintessential drone. The drone market is evolving, and together we can drive the technology forward. We need your support. So no matter who you are, we're making sure that whoever opens the box finds a simple, reliable, affordable, durable, and fun drone. Thank you. And we look forward to making with you the next, the one and only Microdrone.